Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Minnesota, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, the webmaster of Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for investors living in Minnesota, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback link and codes. Now, there is our website, Cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all informations about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. How to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, and videos, and news and articles about all cryptocurrencies. Now, firstly, we can push this button. List of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can get all information about best cryptocurrencies, important cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Chainlink, and others. So easy, and articles. Now, we need information about Bitcoin. We can push this info button. In this page, we can get information about Bitcoin. So easy. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? We can click Get BTC button. Let's go.